You know that tomorrow I'm hustling like there's only one more second left of this hustle.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
Rule number 1. It doesn't matter if you wear weave, make sure you take care of your hair underneath. If you guys been following me, you will already know how to mow this cap down by now. If you're a new subscriber, I'm going to copy the link and paste it below this video. If you visit hairbyericka.com, my custom wigs are under the category Jackie's Butterfly Garden. This is a 13x6 frontal with 4 bundles. The inches range from 20 to 26. I made this wig by hand, but I usually make them with the sewing machine. However, if you guys don't know, I'm moving to Germany and all of my stuff has been shipped. Still gives the same effect. The color was done by a lovely young lady, and I'm going to paste her name below this video. Make sure you follow her and shop with her for all of your custom colors. Every night before I go to sleep, I always wrap my frontal down with my head wraps and with my bonnet. I usually wear long inches, so I use the long bonnets. It keeps your hair very silky, but I'm a wild sleeper, so my hair still is a little messed up. That's why I'm going to show you guys how to flat iron your hair in less than 10 minutes. If you'd like to purchase these, they're on my website at hairbyericka.com. While you're still here, make sure you like, subscribe, and at the end of this video, feel free to leave a comment. Stay tuned for more videos. I have many wonderful things in store for you guys. I love this product. I live by this product. I recommend you guys go and buy this product. You put it on your hair before your styling process, and I recommend that you put it on your hair after your styling process. It will give a very smooth, professional, and finished look. I absolutely love these flat irons, and you guys will not believe it was only $44, only at Ulta. And now for the grand finale. This is how you will get bone straight hair in less than 10 minutes. These little flat iron combs cost no more than $10. I got this one as a gift with one of my flat irons I got a few years ago, and I never let it out of my sight. However, you can visit your local beauty supply store, or they have them on Amazon, and I believe they're only about $4. I recommend that you guys go and buy this. This is how you will get a bone straight look in less than 10 minutes. The hair that I used to create this look is from my Raw Virgin Body Wave collection. It's a 13x6 frontal with 4 bundles. If you guys like to purchase this, feel free to visit my website, and if you need any help, the customer contact line is in the description. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you refer a friend to my channel. And thank you all for all of the support that you've given me thus far. I can't wait to continue this journey with you all. Feel free to drop any video ideas beneath any one of my videos. And just like that, one side is finished and you have one more side to go. Yes, I'm recording a video. Get out! Oh, did you think the video was over? Nope. I decided to add a little bonus in for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to get a very defined, neat, and natural part. If you want these results, shop at hairbyerickaj.com.